quite late at night, and this isn't exactly 20 mil, so I can't just replace the stopcock with something new. I can tell you that. There we go. That was nice and easy now. That was a struggle before.